हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द यूट्यूब चैनल इंग्लिश ओवर द मोबाइल फ़ोन। मैं रवि दिथलिया आपके लिए लेकर आया हूँ डेली यूज़ हिंदी इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी विच विल बी वेरी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू टू इन्हेंस योर इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी as well as your English fluency. So don't forget to watch the video till end. Let's start with the first vocabulary word. The first word is taunt. It means ताना मारना. The next word is point of flash. It means एब निकालना. The next word is argue. It means बहस करना. The next word is complaint. It means शिकायत करना. The next word is interrupt. It means टोकना. The next word is frustration. It means हताशा. The next word is obstruct. It means बाधा डालना. The next word is blame. It means दोषारोपण. The next word is backbiting. It means chugli. The next word is mokar. It means upahas. The next word is find flaws. It means त्रुटि निकालना. The next word is argument. It means विवाद. The next word is insult. It means अपमान करना. The next word is accuse. It means दोष देना. The next word is disregards. It means अवहेलना करना. The next word is discourage. It means हतोत्साहित करना. The next word is baseless claim. It means निराधार बात. The next word is neglect. It means उपेक्षा करना. The next word is reliance. It means भरोसा. The next word is nod. It means सिर हिलाना. The next word is obtain. It means प्राप्त करना. The next word is vows. It means प्रतिज्ञा. The next word is dowry. It means दहेज. The next word is ornaments. It means गहने. The next word is garland. It means mala. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe and share the video for more videos.